Here sits Alex. He's yet to know his fate or how tonight will end. It will be the most intense night of his life. I think I'm gonna order some pizza for dinner tonight.
Anyone want to eat some spaghetti? Nah, we just ate it last night. Let's go to Red Robin instead.
I agree. Let's get out of here.
As they walk back to their car, a random man walks past them and bumps into Gerald.
Hey, where are you going?
As he hurries past them, he drops a note which contains the coordinates to a strange warehouse.
What does this note mean?
I don't know, but let's go to Red Robin before it closes.
As they get close to the car, they see their wheels and axle are missing.
Oh man, they took the wheels and axles too.
Oh man, good thing I drive a huge Jeep, so I have two spare tires in the back. I'll see if I can grab an axle from the junkyard.
Isaiah walks across the street to the junkyard and desperately tries to find an axle. As he goes through the junk, he finds a long axle which can fit the car. He walks back to the group.
I'll fix it, guys. I fixed cars today at work.
I'm so glad we were able to sit down and finally eat tonight.
I didn't think we would be here because of what happened earlier.
What can I get you guys?
Water.
I'll have a Coke. I'll do water too.
Okay, I'll be back.
Thank you.
As the three friends sit there and place their orders in for dinner, they all talk about the note which was dropped before them. They then pay and leave, leaving the note behind in the process.
I'll look into this.
Hello? No, I'm just at home right now. What happened? Okay, I'll be down there soon.
Alex begins to get ready to leave the apartment to head down to the warehouse he owns, forgetting the pizza he ordered in the process.
I think the elevator will be faster in this case. The pulley system. I love it.
I'm going to get my car.
Yes, thank you for telling me. Let's see it.
Okay, follow me.
As Alex follows Roy to the newly installed pipeline, Alexis is preparing to inspect the
Wow,
warehouse.
how did this burst this wide?
I'm not sure, but do you have anything to patch it?
I'm sure we do. I think we have some tape in the back. Let's go see.
The two walk back to grab some tape as Alexis gets out of her car and approaches the door.
Hello? I wonder if there's anything in this room. Wow, a wedge.
What was that?
I don't know, but let's screw this door down so we don't get caught.
Something else is in here. What was that?
Oh my gosh, that was the multi-tool, wasn't it?
Tonight has done trick.
While Alex and Roy are locked in, they're forced to run around the building.
It says multi-tool on it. Put up. I can go down the way.
Alexis has just escaped the first part of the warehouse, but in order to leave, she needs to find a handle to exit the main door.
I think you need to end before we turn in the multi-tool to the police.
Good idea. Let's go.
Now that Alex and Roy are on the run, Alexis has all the time to make a lever for the door.
I don't condone this behavior.
What are you guys doing? Where's the lever at? Maybe I can use this multi-tool.
Alexis is able to escape with the lever on the door. She returns home and is safe. The multi-tool still needs to be turned to the police. However, it's a story for another day. Alexis has returned home safe and holds the multi-tool. Roy's and Alex's drug empire has been shut down without the illegal multi-tool.